Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Elemis Pro-Collagen cleansing balm. Basically, this is a hydrating cleansing balm, and cleansing balms are amazing in my opinion, especially if you like to double cleanse and all that, or if you've got sort of dry skin and you're not able to use foaming cleansers. And the first thing you want to do is open up your cleansing balm like so, and you can already tell from the look of things that I have really been using this cleansing balm. It has this, would I say, eucalyptus, like minty smell, balmy smell, which I really like. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not very particular about cleansing balms. I have a couple of cleansing balms, but I really don't use them. But this one, my current favorite cleansing balm. The first thing you want to do is to take just enough, like so. Put it on your palms together. Basically what you're doing, you're warming it up. You can even inhale it. It feels very minty. It feels like you have balm. Yeah, it's a cleansing balm. It feels, you get what I mean? It feels like Vicks vapor rub. Apply it on dry skin. And this is, for me, I love to use this when I have a lot of makeup on my skin, but now I just have my SPF and moisturizer on. So what you want to do is just massage this on your face. Take your time. If you've got lip products, use it over your lip, but I have lip balm here and I do not want to take it off. And you can even extend it down your neck and your chest, just like so. So just take your time, massage this on your face, rubbing off the impurities on the skin, be it makeup and all those rubbish from the environment. So if you've got a lot of eye products on, take your time, massage it gently. I'm done massaging my face, going with a cleansing cloth, and this one is from Elemis. When you buy this balm, it comes with a cleansing cloth, and this is mine. I have used this so many times. So what you want to do is you want to run the cloth under the tap, run warm water, wring it. I don't like to take all the water off. Place it on your face like so. Gently rub off the cleansing balm like so. Emphasis on gently. Don't be harsh. Don't do you're not fighting. Give yourself, treat your face very gently. Rinsing off the towel and then going back in once again to my neck, very gentle. If you've got something that has low neck, be sure to extend it. I'm going to run water over my face. Just feels very refreshing, and also ensures that my face is thoroughly rinsed off. That's how easy it is to use this cleansing balm, and to be honest, most of the other cleansing balms. And whenever I've got like a lot of makeup on, that's when I tend to reach for this, or maybe when my face feels quite sensitive and I don't feel like using foaming cleanser, I use this. But this is amazing for double cleanse. So if you're using this to double cleanse, you use this first on your face. So at this point, if I had makeup on, like if I had makeup earlier, what I'll do now is to follow up with a cleanser, foaming cleanser, but in this case my face is, I can just, this is just fine. I can end here. I would go on to apply my toner, my serum, and then moisturizer. And then if I use this in the daytime, I always end with SPF. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to exfoliate my face with the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pad, but this will be the next video. So if you're interested in knowing how to use this Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, stay tuned. I will be posting it soon. So with all that being said, I'm going to have to end this video here. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you've got any questions at all, let me know as well, and or suggestions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer your questions and all that. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.